Welcome to the future of year-round greenhouse growing featuring the Ceres BackYard Kit, a cutting-edge, energy-efficient greenhouse designed for serious gardeners. Whether you're looking to grow fresh produce year-round or create a versatile space for your community or school, the BackYard Kit is the ultimate solution. Our BackYard Kit features a robust galvanized steel frame and insulated metal panels, ensuring durability and optimal climate control in any weather. With standard sizes of 18 by 24, 18 by 30, and 18 by 36, plus customizable lengths in 6-foot increments, we offer the flexibility to fit your specific needs. Inside, you'll find a highly controlled environment for your plants. Operable or fixed windows on the south side maximize sunlight year-round, while operable windows on the east and west sides allow for passive ventilation. The roofing system, equipped with anti-drip polycarbonate glazing, provides sufficient light transmittance and insulation. At Ceres, we understand that every grower has unique needs. That's why we offer customization options, including operable windows on the south wall, ETFE glazing for enhanced light transmission, and a variety of exterior cladding choices, wood, stone, or custom colors to match your aesthetic. The BackYard Kit can be seamlessly attached to an existing structure or a new build, typically on the north or west side to maximize sunlight exposure. For added functionality, consider attaching a head house. This versatile space can be used for plant processing, a workspace, a learning space, or even as a sunroom. For sustainable heating and cooling, integrate our ground-to-air heat transfer system. This innovative system harnesses geothermal energy to maintain an ideal growing environment, no matter the season. For a highly controlled environment, you can even add our Ecopack HVAC system to maintain a sealed environment for purposes such as growing exotic plants. Each BackYard Kit comes with stamped structural plans and detailed construction documents. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or prefer professional help from a construction crew, building your greenhouse is straightforward with our comprehensive support. With the Ceres BackYard Kit, you're not just growing plants, you're cultivating a more self-reliant and sustainable lifestyle. Enjoy fresh, homegrown fruits and vegetables all year round and elevate your growing experience. Ready to take your garden to the next level? Contact a Ceres representative today to learn more about the BackYard Kit and start your journey towards a greener, more productive future.